look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Queen, queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the shirt I picked up from Walmart. For this video you will be needing, of course, a shirt and your templates like a shirt or some shorts, some leggings, whatever you want to use to cut out, and some scissors. And today I will be using my sewing machine. So we got this shirt and these leggings that we will be using to cut out our outfit. And before I really get into it, make sure you guys subscribe down below. So we went ahead and cut out the little triangle piece from between the leg. Make sure you cut a couple inches away. I haven't did this in a while, and I went straight to it and was cutting really close and didn't give myself any space. So my shorts and my shirt was a little snug, and that was my fault. But yeah, make sure you cut a couple inches away to give you guys some room. Okay, so I did cut the size of the shorts already, and now we're just gonna cut across the top of the shorts, and then we're gonna sit those to the side and go ahead and start working on the shirt. For the shirt, all we did was cut up the sides as well. Just pretty much trace the shirt. And to all of my new subscribers, meet Polo. Polo just like being in mommy way. But we're about to get ready and start to sew. So we're going to flip the shirt inside out, and we're going to sew up the side. This video is not detailed, so yeah. And this is the little soap that I was telling you guys about in one of my previous videos. Some black soap, all natural soap, pure honey, shea butter, cocoa pie shades, a whole bunch of stuff. But I will let y'all know like my results on that. So the shirt is all done, and I decided to put the little cuff at the bottom because I really liked the inside color of the shirt. So I folded that, and I just pretty much sew around it. Like I said, I didn't get into detail with this video like that, but if you guys want me to get into detail with the sewing machine, like I said, give me a little time on that, but I will get into detail on how to use one. But the sewing machines that they're making now is really self-explanatory, if I said that right. But yeah, shirt is all done, so we're gonna go in with the shorts. Flip them inside out, line them up, and begin to sew. Okay. So I just sewed the middle, and the shorts are all sewn up, and I have my elastic band so I can do my waist. And y'all, I'm still trying to master this part right here, and I know for certain I'm not doing it right. So I made this up myself, so I actually need to look up some videos and see the correct way to go about doing this, because every time I put my clothes on, it stretches and it starts to get loose, and you start to see the elastic band. But I'm all done, so let's try it on. This is the finishing look, and as you can see the elastic band like I was just saying. But this came out really cute. I really enjoy making this outfit. Let me know what you think about this look. Before you go, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and that's all I got for you. I love you guys, and I'm out. Peace.